Hi, Claire here with Roostin Woodworks. What we have here is the Classic Series Pedestal, gray Barnwood. Overall height of 30 inches. We have a bottom install footprint of about 16 inches. We have a removable top, 3/4 inch recess, approximately 15 inches across. This Barnwood is all left natural, no finish applied to it. It's very high quality. We acquired this through the Amish, through a source, and it's exceptionally nice, solid, good Barnwood. They are shipped to you to the lower 48 free of charge. Any questions? RoostinRidge.com. Thank you.